Hello guys, did you miss me? I know you didn't. Let's start the video. First, turn off the volume. T and Jungkook left their parents' house after saying goodbye because their parents will go to America tonight. JK obviously became CEO, but he wanted to be prince of T's heart. T decided to give divorce to JK. T and JK were going to house from their parents' house. Ride was fully silent. T thought, I have to go J-Hope Seung's house for talking about divorce. T, can you stop the car? JK confused. Why? Is everything okay? T, yes, of course, everything is fine. I have to go somewhere. T, Jungkook, please, you don't need to worry about me. I am not kid. JK thought, I think I should let him go. JK was in his thought when T called him. T, what happened? Where you lost? Stop the car, I need to go. JK stopped the car and looked at him. J-Hope was busy with Ryan. Suddenly he heard doorbell. J-Hope, who the hell is disturbing us? Taehyung, he didn't come. J-Hope angry. How careless is he? How can he leave you alone? T smiled. Calm down, Hugh. He wanted to come, but I said to him not to come with me. J-Hope, T, what will you drink? Ryan will make. T juice. Ryan went to kitchen. J-Hope, so T, what do you wanted to talk? J-Hope shocked. What T, are you okay? Do you know what are you asking for? Taehyung, please, I want divorce paper. Please, I'm begging you. J-Hope, T, if you want, I'll give you. But are you sure about your decision? T come back to home, but he was so late. He saw JK was sleeping in coach and TV was on. He went closer to him and looked at his face. After some time, he pulled away. T, sorry Cookie, I shouldn't do this, but I don't know why sometimes I can't control my heart. My heart is so stupid, you know. T turned in his room and started to cry more. He started to remember his memory with Lisa and Jungkook. In morning, JK waked up and looked around. JK, did T come back yesterday night? How can I sleep? I was waiting for him. I should check. JK and Lisa were eating food. Lisa, so what happened? Did you propose T? JK sadly, no, yesterday night he come late, but tonight I surely I'll confess my feelings. JK turned back and saw T with a bag. JK, T, are you going somewhere? Why didn't you tell me earlier? I'll also go with you. Wait, let me change. T, coming between you and JK? Lisa shocked. What are you saying, T? T, fake smile. Don't act now. I know your relationship with Jungkook. JK went and opened the door. He saw postman. Postman, is Mr. Jin lives here? JK, yes, I'm Mr. Jin. Postman, sir, this is for you. T, Jungkook, please just sing the paper. I can't bear this pain more. JK, no, never. I'll never sing. Please, T, don't do this to me. You can't leave me. T was about to go when JK hugged him from behind. JK angrily, why is he waiting for you? Take us from now. I'll live with him, so leave me. Before T could say anything, JK picked him in his arms and started to go his bedroom. T, no, Jungkook, let me go. T saw Lisa was staring at him with happiness. T, Lisa, help me. JK threw him on bed and however him. T, stop it, get off me. JK hold his hand and pinned him. JK say, I'm your husband and you are mine. T didn't say anything, so JK bite his neck area hardly and T moaned loudly. T let him do whatever he wants and started to enjoy the moment he wanted from start. He was craving for JK's love and care. See you in next FF. Take care.